Hello everybody, I am Mrs. Madhavi Salodkar. I am going to take subject Business Statistics paper 3, special paper 3 for TY BCom. This is the first lecture, that is the introductory lecture. The topic is Theory of Games. So syllabus for Business Statistics 3, year 2020-21, Unit 1, Game Theory. There are 10 lectures allocated to this topic. Meaning, 2-person zero-sum game, pure and mixed strategies, payoff tables, saddle points, minimax and maximum principles, dominance principle, examples and problems. Now we will see the meaning of theory of games. Game theory attempts to study decision making in situations where two or more intelligent and rational opponents are involved under conditions of conflict and cooperation. The approach of game theory is to seek to determine a rival's most profitable counter strategy to one's own best moves and to formulate the appropriate defensive measures. So a business firm may come across a situation where there are two or more opposing parties with conflicting interests and where the action of one depends upon the actions of the opponents. The game theory helps in minimizing the best course of action or strategies for a firm in view of the expected counter moves or strategies from the competitors. Thus, game theory may be defined as an operation research technique that deals with making decisions when two or more intelligent and rational opponents are involved under conditions of conflict and competition. Terminology, that are the basic definitions which we need for this topic. The first definition is player. Each participant is called a player. A play occurs when each player selects one of his strategies. Strategy. The strategies are the finite number of possible courses of action which are available to a player. For example, in order to increase the market share, a player either reduces his price or will maintain the price. Next definition, payoff. The outcome of playing a game is known as a payoff. It represents the net gain for the firms for each combination of strategies adopted by them. Optimal strategy. A course of action or play which puts the player in the most preferred position irrespective of the strategy of his competitors is called an optimal strategy. Next definition, value of the game. It is the expected payoff of the play when the players of the game follow their optimal strategies. The game is called fair if the value of the game is 0. Pure strategy games. In pure strategy games, the players stay with one strategy throughout the game. These are solved as follows. Step 1. Write down the payoff matrix with the maximizing player strategies along the rows. Step 2. Write down the minimum element in each row, which is called as row minima, on its right. Identify the largest element among these elements and mark it with an arrow. This principle of identifying the maximum element among the row minimas is called as minimax. That is maximums of minimums. This indicates a conservative approach for the maximizing players. Step 3. Write down the maximum element in each column at its bottom, which is called as column maxima, and mark the smallest element among them with an arrow. This principle of identifying the minimum element among the column maximas is called as minimax. Minimum of maximums. This also indicates the conservative approach for the minimizing player. Step 4. If these two arrowed elements, that is maximin and minimax, are same, then the element lying at the intersection of the corresponding row and column is called as a saddle point. Step 5. The strategies corresponding to the saddle point represented by the corresponding rows and columns are the optimal strategies for the two players, while the saddle point is the value of the game. Step 6. If there are more than one saddle points, then there are more than one solutions, one for each saddle point. So that are all the steps with the help of which we can solve a pure strategy game. See the first example. Solve the following game whose payoff matrix is given by player A. There are three strategies A1, A2, A3. For player B, there are three strategies B1, B2, B3, and the payoff matrix is given to us. The very first step is to write row minima on the right hand side of the table. -3, -2, -3. Out of these three elements, pick up the minimum element. Minimum element is -3. So we'll write -3 in the row minima column. 2, 0, 2. The minimum element is 0. 5, -2, -4. Minimum element is -4. So after getting the minimum elements, pick up the maximum element, put an arrow, and we call it as maximin. So 0 is the maximin value. After getting maximin value, we will write column maxima at the bottom of the table. -3 to 5. Pick up the maximum element, which is 5. -2, 0, -2. Maximum element is 0. -3, 2, -4. Maximum element is 2. So among these maximum elements, pick up the minimum element, put an arrow, we call it as minimax. So 0 is minimax value and 0 is maximin value. So we can say that as maximin is equal to minimax, saddle point exists. Therefore, it is a pure strategy game. Player A will select A2 and player B will select B2, and value of the game is 0. As the value of the game is 0, we can call this game as a fair game. Next example. For the following payoff matrix, for firm A, determine the optimal strategies for both firm A and firm B and value of the game. Payoff matrix is given to us. For firm A, there are 4 strategies A1, A2, A3, A4. For firm B, there are 5 strategies B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. And the payoff matrix is given. So according to the steps given above, the very first step is to write row minima at the right hand side of the table. 3, -1, 4, 6, 7. The minimum element is minus 1. So we will write minus 1 in the row minima column. Second row, minus 1, 8, 2, 4, 12. Minimum element is minus 1. So we will write minus 1 in the row minima column. 16, 8, 6, 14, 12. Minimum element is 6. Last row, 1, 11, minus 4, 2, 1. Minimum element is minus 4. So after getting row minima values, we will pick up the maximum among these 4 values and we put an arrow. We will call it as maximin. So 6 is maximin value. Next step is to write column maxima at the bottom of the table. 3, minus 1, 16, 1. Maximum element is 16. So write down 16 here. Minus 1, 8, 8, 11. Maximum element is 11. 4, 2, 6, minus 4. Maximum element is 6. 6, 4, 14, 2. Maximum element is 14. 7, 12, 12, 1. Maximum element is 12. Now among these maximum elements, pick up the minimum element, put an arrow and call that minimum element as minimax. So what can you say? We can see that maximin and minimax values are same. So as maximin is equal to minimax, saddle point exists. Therefore, it is a pure strategy game. Therefore, optimal strategy for A is A3 and for B is B3. That is, for A, the optimal strategies can be written as bracket 0, 0, 1, 0, and for player B, optimal strategies are written as 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Value of the game is 6. Hence, A will win maximum of 6 units per play and B will lose minimum of 6 units per play. That is, B makes payment to A in this game. Next example. Solve the following game whose payoff matrix is given below. So the matrix is given to us. For player A, there are 3 strategies: A1, A2, A3. For player B, there are 3 strategies: B1, B2, B3. So first step is to write row minima at the right hand side of the table. First row, 10, 5, minus 2. The minimum element is minus 2. So write down minus 2 in the row minimum column. 6, 7, 3. The minimum element is 3. 4, 8, 4. Minimum element is 4. After getting the minimum, just see the maximum amongst the minimum, which is nothing but 4. We will put an arrow, we will call it as maximin. So maximin value is 4. Next step is to write column maxima at the bottom of the table. 10, 6, 4. Maximum element is 10. 5, 7, 8. Maximum element is 8. Minus 2, 3, 4. Maximum element is 4. So among these maximum elements, pick up the minimum element. We put an arrow and we call it as minimax. So minimax value is 4. Maximin value is also 4. So as maximin is equal to minimax, saddle point exists. Therefore, it is a pure strategy game. Optimal strategy for A is A3, that is 0, 0, 1. Optimum strategy for B is B3, that is 0, 0, 1. Value of the game is 4, which is positive, greater than 0. Therefore, B makes payment to A in this game. Next example. Solve the following game. Solve the following 2-person game and find the value of the game. For player A, there are two strategies A1, A2. For player B, there are two strategies B1 and B2, and the payoff matrix is given. So according to the steps, first step is to write row minima at the right hand side of the table. -2 and -4, minimum value is -4. 3 and 5, minimum value is 3. So after getting the minimum, pick up the maximum value among the minimum. We call it as maximin. So 3 is maximin. Then write down column maxima at the bottom of the table. -2 and 3, maximum value is 3. -4 and 5, maximum value is 5. So among the maximum, pick up the minimum value, call it as minimax. So minimax value is 3. Maximin value is also 3. So as maximin is equal to minimax, saddle point exists. Therefore, it is a pure strategy game. Therefore, optimal strategy for player A is A2, that is 0-1, and optimal strategy for B is B1, that is 1-0. And value of the game is 3, which is positive. Therefore, player B will make payment to A in this game. Next example. Solve the following game whose payoff matrix is given below. Also determine optimal strategies for both the players. So for player A, there are three strategies: A1, A2, A3. For player B, there are three strategies: B1, B2, B3. And the payoff matrix is given to us. So according to the procedure, we will write row minima at the right hand side of the table. -2, 15, -2. The minimum value is -2. -5, -6, -4. Minimum value is -6. -5, 20, -8. Minimum value is -8. After getting the minimum values, pick up the maximum value among the minimums and call it as maximin. So put an arrow. So -2 is maximin value. Then write down column maxima at the bottom of the table. -2, -5, -5. The maximum element is -2. 15, -6, 20. Maximum element is 20. -2, -4, -8. Maximum element is -2. So among these maximums, pick up the minimum value and call it as minimax. So there are two minimax values, -2 and -2. So as maximin is equal to minimax, saddle point exists. Therefore, it is a pure strategy game. Therefore, optimal strategy for A is A1, that is 1-0-0, and optimal strategy for B is B1 or B3, that is 1-0-0 or 0-0-1.